Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys are doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. This error is very common in Next.js, and as you can see it says hydration failed because the server rendered HTML didn't match the client. As a result, this tree will be regenerated on the client. This can happen if a SSR client component used these things, and it can also happen if the client has a browser extension installed which messes with the HTML before React loaded. So in my case the problem was this one, and how I fixed it, let me show you. First of all, we have to go to this extensions, click on this and manage extensions. Otherwise we can simply click on this menu icon, and from there you can see this same manage extensions. We will click on it and then we can see all of our extensions. One of these is responsible for that error, and how we can check which one is creating the error is by simply turning off one by one and see if the error goes away. So first of all I will turn off this one, and then I will reload our website. As you can see, this is still there, and now I will turn off this one and reload our website. You can see it's still there. Now I am gonna turn off this one, and if I refresh the page, the error is gone, and also it's gone from the console. And if I turn these two on and reload again, the error is again back. So I think one of this is also causing the issue. So I'll turn off this one also, and let's see. As you can see, the error is again gone. So that means these two extensions are the reason to showing the error in my case. So let's say you have some extensions installed in your browser, so you can turn off one by one and check if the error is gone or not. So this way you can find out which extension is causing the problem. And let me show you another method. This error is there, and we'll open our code editor, and inside this layout.js file, inside this body tag we will type suppress hydration warning and save it. After that, if we reload our page, we can see the error is gone. So this is basically we are forcing our application to prevent that hydration warning. So this is two ways to fix the hydration warning from Next.js application. If you think my video was helpful, please let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video.